One important thing that you need to learn in your 20s, guys, okay? I am gonna go over on one simple thing, or one simple lesson, better yet, that you need to know in your 20s right now. Because if you learn this later on when you're 30, 40 years old, you're just gonna be having a lot of regrets as to why you didn't know this back then. Wait, hold on. I'm pretty sure they told you this in school though. I mean, I'm pretty sure. So why are you even watching this video, okay? I know they told you this in school. Oh wait. No, they didn't. That's exactly why you're here. Because school's not going to teach you this stuff, okay? So what I'm going to be discussing on today, guys, is the difference between an asset and a liability. And it's important you actually know the difference between the two, because it's going to make a huge impact on how much money you're going to have in the next 10 to 20 years. And it will really help you make more financial decisions knowing the difference between the two, okay? So let's begin. So to make it real simple, guys, okay? Put it like this. An asset is something that puts money into your wallet, okay? There's cash flow coming in and it's yours to keep. Now, a liability, well, you guessed it, it's gonna be the exact opposite of that, okay? So a liability is gonna be taking money out of your wallet. Therefore, it goes away. Cash flow is going out. So now that we understand the basics of what a liability and an asset is, let's go over some quick examples. Take, for example, an asset. An asset brings money into your pockets, okay? Just like I mentioned earlier. And this could be anything from dividends from stocks, rent from properties that you own, profits from a business, bonds. I mean, there's so many on the list, but for the sake of this video, we're just gonna list these 4 things for now. These things bring money into your pocket, guys, okay? It's your money working for you, bringing money into your pocket, into your bank account, into your wallet, whatever you want to call it, okay? Now, a liability is going to be the exact opposite of that, okay? It's going to be taking money out of your wallet, just like I mentioned earlier again. And this is going to range from a whole lot of things, guys, okay? This can range from a new car, from your clothes, your designer shoes or whatever the hell you're buying, your Netflix. I know you just didn't say my Netflix, man. What the hell? Yeah. Sadly, your Netflix is one of those. Jewelry, I mean, just unnecessary things that you really don't need, guys, okay? These things, these liabilities, they're taking money out of your pocket and leaving you broke. So hopefully by watching this video, you start realizing the major difference between the two. Because if you don't, I'm telling you right now, guys, in the next 10 years, especially if you're really, really young, you're gonna wish you knew this, and you're gonna wish you invested into stocks, bonds, real estate, a business or whatever. You're gonna wish you did all of these things, because in the next 10 years, you're probably gonna have nothing in your bank account. Am I correct? Oh, whoa. Now, not knowing this also, guys, is also gonna be the reason that you're always gonna be working for your money. Like the great Warren Buffett said, guys, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So stop spending your money on so many liabilities, okay, guys? Find ways to buy more assets, okay? Invest into the stock market. Invest into some bonds. I don't know. Get into some real estate. Okay, guys? Invest into things that will make your money make you more money. I mean, doesn't that sound nice? Your money making you more money compared to your money not making you anything. I mean, this is your hard-earned money. So why would you want someone else to have your hard-earned money? Otherwise, you're putting all those hours of your job doing overtime for absolutely nothing other than paying bills and buying liabilities that you don't need, correct? So I really hope that helped you guys. Again, start making better financial decisions by knowing the difference on these two things. And I guarantee you're going to see your pockets grow with knowing this, okay? So as always, guys, be sure to also subscribe while you're at it, okay? The subscription button is down there somewhere. And also hit the little notification bell so you stay notified of more videos just like this. And as always, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Later, guys.